Hey, once again, welcome to the online classes. Today we'll be going with the grammar section from your Fun with Grammar book, chapter number 1, Noun. Okay, tell me what is noun? Noun is a part of speech. Okay, what is part of speech? Part of speech is a category assigned to each word according to its sonatic functions. What is the sonatic functions? That means whenever we frame a sentence in languages, it can be any language, English, Hindi or Gujarati, the words that we use to frame our sentence should be correct, should be applicable, should be appropriate. That is the sonatic functions. For example, if I say sunrise on the east, am I right or wrong? I am absolutely wrong, isn't it? The correct sentence is sun rises in the east. So instead of in, if I use on, instead of arises, if I use arise, I am totally wrong. The sentence, the words that I use was not according to the sonatic functions, means it was not appropriate, it was not correct. That is why in English we say sentence is a group of words that is used, that is group of words that makes a complete sense. That means all the words that are used to frame a sentence should be correct, should be appropriate, should be applicable, should be linguistic. Okay. So, noun is also a part of speech. What are the other parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection and determiners. These all are the parts of speech. And today we will be learning the first part of speech, that is noun. Okay? Now, what is the definition of noun now? Noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. So if I say India, if I say book, if I say pencil, if I say Himalaya, if I say Mount Everest, so these all are the noun. The names of any person, place, animal or thing is known as noun. So noun can be common noun as well as proper noun. So what is this proper noun? Proper noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing which you are referring if you are definite, if you are specific, if you are particular. That means, for example, we can say that if I say, Mrs. Sam is my English teacher. So, among all the English teachers of this Hebron school, I am referring to Mrs. Sam. So, I am very particular, I am very definite, I am very specifically noting out only one teacher. So, Mrs. Sam is my proper noun. Other example you can take is, India is a democratic country. So, among all the countries of this world, I am referring to only one country, that is India. So, India is a proper noun. Got it? So, the name of the person, place, animal or thing that you are referring. If you are definite, if you are particular, if you are specific, then that is a proper noun. Okay. The other noun is common noun. One more thing about proper noun is proper noun will always begin with a capital letter and it will end with a full stop. Okay. So now coming to the next, that is common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a name of the person, place, animal or thing that you refer. If it is not specific, if you are not definite, if you are not particular, then it is a common noun that you use in general, that we say in common. Okay. For example, if I can say a sailor. Sailor can be male as well as a female. River, it can be any river across the world. It can, if I say city, it can be any city. I am not pointing out a particular city. I am not pointing out a particular mountain. So I am just saying mountain. So it's a common noun. We use it in general. Okay. We are done with common noun and proper noun. Now there are various types of common noun in your textbook, that is we mentioned that we are going to learn one by one. Okay. The first one is countable noun. So, what is this countable noun? In English, most of the nouns are countable. That means you can put a number before the noun. That is, I can say 5 chairs, 4 teachers, 5 pencils, 10 cities. Okay. So, we can put a number, we can put a specific number. So, they are known as countable noun. The noun before which we can put a number. It is specific. So we can count them. So they are known as countable noun. Okay. The other one is uncountable noun. By the name itself, you might have understood that it is just the opposite of countable noun. We cannot put a specific number. We can only say, for example, I ate a little rice. I have few pencils. There are many teachers in the staff room. So we use in this definitely. We cannot put a specific number like I used in the earlier one, countable noun. We can put a specific number. But for the uncountable noun, we cannot put a specific number. We can only say few rice, little money, little water in the jug, a little milk in the jug. This way you can identify this uncountable noun. The other one is singular noun. What is a singular noun? The noun that is used for only one. Singular means what? Single. So only for one noun. Only one noun. That is what is noun? Only for one person, place or animal or thing. That is singular noun. Singular noun, you can say chair, a pen, a pencil. Only one noun is being identified, only one noun is being talked about. So it's a singular noun. The other one is a plural noun. Plural noun means what? More than one. When you refer the noun that is being referred, more than one. It's not only one, but more than one. It can be indefinite. Okay. So it can be boys, it can be children, cities, parks, pencils. So this way. Not only one noun is being referred, but more than one noun. The number has increased. In singular noun, only one noun is being referred, and in the plural, it's just the opposite, that more than one is being referred. So it is a plural noun. Now coming to the other, that is a gender noun. What is this gender noun? Gender noun can be feminine gender as well as masculine gender. So what is feminine gender? Feminine gender means the noun that refers to the female category. That means it can be a cow, it can be a bitch, for a girl, mother, sister. So all these are the feminine. It represents the female category. So that is known as the feminine gender. The other one is the masculine gender. For the name itself, we can have male category. It represents the male category of noun. That is man, father, brother, uncle, all this. Okay. So that is the gender noun. Gender noun of two types. That is feminine gender and the masculine gender. Feminine gender represents the female category, and the masculine gender represents the male category. Okay. Now the other one is the abstract noun. Abstract noun denotes a thought, a belief, an idea. You cannot see this abstract noun by your five senses. That is, what are the five senses that you are having? That is your eyes, that is your sight, your smell, your taste, your hearing, and your touch. So this is just a thought. For example, I can say happiness, love, trust, anger. It can also be event. Okay. So the abstract noun are the noun that denotes a quality, a thought, or it can be an idea also. Okay. Then coming to the concrete noun. Concrete noun is just the opposite of this abstract noun. That is, it can be identified by your senses. You can see, you can touch, you can feel. Okay. So that is, I can see a chair, I can see a table. For example, if I take an orange, I can taste, I can touch, I can feel. Okay. Smell. Okay. So that is the concrete noun, the noun that can be identified, denoted by your senses, the five senses that you are having. Okay. The last one is the collective noun. What is collective noun? The noun that is being denoted in a whole, in a collection. It's a collective noun. So collective noun, we can take the example of a herd of cattle, a pride of lion, a library of books, galaxy of stars. So these all are the collection of one particular noun in common, in unique. Okay, so this is the collective noun, a group, बहुत सारा एक साथ, one all together, one in one form. That is, I told you, bunch of grapes, library of books, herd of cattle, galaxy of stars, it can be anything. So it's a group or in together. So that is collective noun. So first I told you that noun is a part of speech, okay. The various parts of speech I told you. This is the first parts of speech that we are learning, and then the types of common noun, countable noun, uncountable noun. The first one, countable, you can count them, you can put a specific number before the noun. And the uncountable noun, it's not being counted, you cannot put a number. That's why we say, I ate a little rice, I ate a few people. There is little water in the jug. That's why we identify in that way. Singular noun and then the plural noun. Singular means what? Single noun. Only one noun is being denoted or being told about. Only one. It can be a boy, it can be a girl. Only one noun is being denoted. Then the plural noun. That is, it is here the noun that is being talked is more than one. Boys, girls, teachers. More than one. Only one is being identified, the other one is more than one. Then coming to the gender nouns are of two types. That is feminine gender and masculine gender. Feminine gender represents the female category and the masculine gender represents the male category. Okay? Abstract noun and concrete noun. Here the abstract noun is just a thought. It's just a feeling. For example, love, happiness, anger, all this. Okay? Concrete noun, this particular noun can be denoted by your senses, I told you. And this cannot be just a thought, since it's just a thought. Concrete nouns, it can be anything. Chair, orange, apple, all that you can be recognized by your senses. The last one is a collective noun. Collective noun, when the noun that is being represented in a group, in a collection. Okay, herd of galaxy of stars, a library of books. Okay, group of anything, group. It should be a group, collection. Okay, hope you understood with these lessons. Please note down all the exercises that are being uploaded in our school website, in your Fun with Grammar textbook itself, and the previous lessons that whichever we have been completed, please note down in your English CW book. Okay, till then, take care. Thank you.